Hello everyone, so in this video I want to show you guys how to factory reset your Samsung ATIV Book 8. Hello there, my name is Sergio with Cellular Pros, and in this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And also, if you're interested in making an extra $1,080 a week working part-time hours from home, check out our video in the description. Let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to completely reset it back to its factory condition. You may want to do this if it's not booting up correctly, or the computer's just acting really slowly, maybe it has viruses, or also if you forgot your password and you can't log into it. By doing the hard reset, you'll be able to start using it again. Okay, so first I'm going to show you really quickly through the settings how to do it, and then I'll show you with the buttons here. So if you have a password and you can't get into it, you'll be able to reset it. All right, so first off, if you can get into the computer, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Windows icon down here. You're going to click the search tab up here, and then here you're just going to type in reset. Okay, you're going to get a couple options here. You're going to select this one right here, which says remove. It says remove everything and reinstall Windows. So click that one. It's going to bring you to this screen right here. Here you're going to select the second option, remove everything and reinstall Windows. So select get started. All right, you're going to give it a couple seconds, and it's going to bring you to the next screen. Okay, here you go. So now it says reset your PC. Here's what's going to happen. So it just explains that everything will be erased. So make sure you do back up anything if you can, because everything will be erased completely back to its original factory condition. So once you're ready, hit next. And then here, it's going to ask you to select one of these two options. You're going to select the bottom option, which is fully clean the drive. That's what's going to completely clean the computer and remove everything from it if you have any viruses or anything. Well, so once you're ready, select that option and the reset process will begin. All right, I'm going to show you now how to do the hard factory reset if you can't log into the computer. All right, so let's go ahead and power the computer off. All right, so once it's completely powered off, power on the computer. All right, here we go. So once the computer turns on, as you can see, it has a password. So let's try and log in. Okay, it says password is incorrect. Okay, so if you forgot your password, you don't have it. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna tap and hold the shift key, and then you're just gonna go right over here to the power off option, and you're gonna select restart and continue to hold the shift key. So don't let go of that shift key until the computer restarts. Give it a couple seconds. Okay, and then this is going to come up right here. Once you see this, you can let go. And here we're going to select troubleshoot. Okay, here we're going to select the second option, reset your PC. Give it a couple seconds now till it brings us to the next option. Okay, so after about a minute or two, this is going to come up. So it's going to say reset your PC. It's just letting you know, once again, that everything is going to be erased back to its factory condition. All right, another good thing to keep in mind is have the computer plugged in so it doesn't power off during the process. Once you're ready, hit next. And then here we're going to select second option, fully clean the drive. And then once you hit this reset button, the reset process begins. So let's do that now. All right, so as you can see, it is resetting. It is at 1%. All right, so I'm going to pause recording, and then I'm going to continue recording once it's at 100%. All right, guys, so I left it resetting. I left it resetting overnight because you know, it was taking pretty long. So let's power it on now and check it out and see if it completed. And voila, there you go. So it's at the initial setup here of the computer, where now we have to go through all these setup options that you prefer: language, location, name, you know, all that basic stuff. So yeah, and all you have to do is just pretty much go through the setup and begin to use the computer. Alright, so yeah, there you go. That is how you factory reset your Samsung Galaxy ATIV Book 8 on Windows 8.